Hello, friends. Welcome to the third video in our marketing series. Today, we're going to talk about how to reach and market your product to your main customers: health-conscious individuals, chefs and home cooks, organic food retailers, the cosmetic industry families in the most effective ways. Let's start with your wood press oil. Are you ready to sell them? First, begin by offering them in small local shops or to local wholesalers. Give away free samples to customers to get them excited about the great quality. Ensure your prices and packaging appeal to them. This approach helps you understand families, find out what health-conscious individuals, chefs and home cooks, organic food retailers, the cosmetic industry like, and ensure that they see your oil as good value and attractive. It also allows you to build a regular customer base, improve your oil based on feedback, and discover your strengths and areas for improvement. Delivery is crucial, especially to keep your oil fresh, which is a major concern for customers. Plan your delivery routes wisely. For instance, you might visit shops in the east on Monday, then those in the north on Tuesday, and so on. Further, as a new brand, it's important to make yourself known. If you're delivering the oil yourself, consider branding your vehicle with your oil logo. It's a fantastic way to catch the attention of health-conscious people. Furthermore, you can't just wait for customers. You need to actively promote your oil. Offer attractive deals to shopkeepers to encourage them to promote your product over your competitors. When you notice that people really like your product, it's time to think bigger. Aim to sell in larger areas by partnering with wholesaler distributors who can distribute your oil to bigger stores. But approach this step by step. Ensure you're successful locally before trying to expand further. Remember, wholesalers and distributors handle large volumes, and you can supply these volumes only once your product and processes are stable. So, take your time to establish yourself locally before reaching out to regional wholesalers and distributors. Do not forget to showcase your oils on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Stay engaged with your audience through regular posts, fun polls, and contests. You might also want to consider using Google Ads or social media ads to quickly reach more people. Think about partnering your oil with other products that appeal to health-conscious individuals, chefs and home cooks, organic food retailers, the cosmetic industry, such as other organic products. With these focused strategies, you are doing more than just selling a product. You are wood press oil business. For more videos, subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.